Why, hello there. So, today's episode of Ashleigh's Fridge, we're going to see some really old rotten things that have been here forever. Okay, starting with this tuna. There's green on it now. When do you ever see tuna green? It's green. That's gross. I'm just going to put that. Okay. And this yogurt, August 1st, 2005. It's 2006 now. This is gross. I wonder how it looks. It looks like apple juice. That is gross. Kitty food! My cat died. I don't know why this is still in here. Memories, maybe? Wings. Wings food products. This restaurant called Wings, I lived by this restaurant when I was like 12. 12! I'm 18! It's gross. Okay, I think you've seen enough.